All right, folks, let's talk about time. Not the I'm late for work kind, but the how do we even measure this stuff kind. Clocks, right? You've got your kitchen clock, your grandpa's creaky old pendulum, and then there's the atomic clock. Spoiler, one of these is way cooler than the other. Guess which one? Normal clocks, they're like the reliable but boring friend.
Hello.
Mechanical ones use gears and springs, ticking away as stuff physically moves. Digital ones, just counting electric pulses. They're fine, until the battery dies, or you forget to wind them. And let's be real, they're not that precise. Ever notice your microwave clock is always a minute off? Yeah, that's why we need something better. Meet the atomic clock. This bad boy doesn't mess around. Instead of gears or pulses, it uses atoms. Cesium or rubidium, to be exact. Why? Because atoms are like the universe's metronome. They vibrate at super specific frequencies. One tick of a cesium atom, exactly 9,192,631,770 vibrations. That's not a random number. It's the definition of a second. Precise? You bet. So, how does this sci-fi magic work? Picture a vacuum chamber, basically a super clean jar with no air. Inside, cesium atoms get zapped with microwaves. When the microwaves hit just the right frequency, the atoms jump between energy states. That jump? It's like the atoms saying, "Yo, that's my jam." We count those jumps to measure time. The microwaves keep adjusting to stay locked on that perfect frequency. Result? Timekeeping so accurate it'd make Einstein nod approvingly. Atomic clocks aren't new. Back in 1949, some brainiacs built the first one using ammonia. Kinda clunky. Then, in 1955, the UK dropped the cesium clock. Boom, game changer. Since then, these clocks have been the gold standard for keeping time. Without them, your GPS would send you to Narnia, and the internet would probably crash. You're welcome. Atomic clocks run the show. They sync GPS satellites, so your phone doesn't lead you into a lake. They keep the internet humming, make scientific experiments legit, and basically hold modern life together. All because some atoms are vibing in a vacuum chamber. Technically true, the best kind of true. So next time you're late, don't blame your kitchen clock. Blame the fact you don't have an atomic clock strapped to your wrist. Science is weird, time is weirder.
Oh!
And we're just here trying to keep up. See you next time, unless you're stuck in a gravity well. Then you're on your own.